speak about the Agile Model, which is the opposite of the waterfall methodology. It is continuous. Usually it has like a sprint. I mean, as you can see, that's just like an example of some of the steps. It's the time that it takes to create one of the steps that the team is working on it. It's called a sprint, which usually lasts 2 weeks. It basically picks work for 2 weeks and then goes to the next one. That's how it usually goes. On the Agile, there is actually one of the main meetings that I would like to mention will be the sprint planning meeting, which is the one where all the team members, they meet all together, decide what to work for the coming up 2 weeks, and that's just when everyone decides what's going to go next. I'd like to mention some of the key members will be the Scrum Master, which is the manager who's responsible for setting up the team. He's the one who comes up with the sprint meeting, and he's responsible for all calling for the rest of the other meetings as well. And then he's the one who also removes or solves all the issues during the process, if anyone has a problem. We do have another person who will be the product owner, which is kind of the same as the business analyst and on the waterfall model. It is the main person that interacts with the client. He's the one who actually creates the product log, which is a folder where all the product owner saves all the requirements for the project. And then there is this Scrum team where all the developers and testers, that's just basically the team that create the website or any work they're working on it. And then there is the prioritization backlog, and that's where they organize and change all the sequence of the backlog. Okay. I mean, I'm not gonna go that much farther, but I did mention the main meetings that they're involved in this method are usually the sprint planning meeting, which is usually where they decide what's going to happen. There is a daily stand-up meeting where the Scrum Master usually holds it in where the team gives the updates and then say what they did yesterday, what they will do, what they're doing today, and if they're having any issues. And then there is, last but not least, there is a retrospective meeting, which is also conducted by the Scrum Master, as I mentioned earlier, which is usually done at the end of every sprint to discuss the good things, the challenges they face, and the precautions they will take on the next time.